Tired of static websites? Today, we'll unlock how to create dynamic, clickable buttons in Adobe Dreamweaver to transform your web pages. First, open your Adobe Dreamweaver, create a new HTML document by going to the File tab, selecting New, and choosing HTML under blank document, or opening an existing HTML file to start. Now, let's find the Insert panel, usually on the left side of the screen. This is your toolbox for adding elements. Locate and click the button option. It might be under Common, or you can search for it. A button will appear on your web page. However, it has no function yet. Next, we'll give our button some life. Select the button, and look at the Properties Inspector at the bottom of the screen. This is where the real magic happens. The first thing you can do is change the button text in the text box. This is the displayed text on the button. Type in your desired button text. For instance, like "Click me." To make the button functional, you need to add a link in the link field. Type the web address where you want the user to go when they click the button. Alternatively, the button can link to a page within your website. Simply select the file you wish to link the button to. Finally, test your button to ensure it's working correctly by saving your page and previewing it in a web browser. Congratulations! You've successfully created a clickable button that enhances user interaction and makes your website way more engaging. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.